Hello everyone, how you all doing? Hope you're all well. Here we go on a different day today. I'm crystal clean. I don't know if you remember this little car we done about 2 weeks ago. Anyway, somehow, yeah, we just changed the engine on this one. Yeah, 1.2. We changed it last week. All running well, all good, but after putting a new engine, we just had some generic oil going in, so it's been running fine for the last 2 weeks. So we decided to put a brand new oil and a brand new filter. Ooh, my hair is going all over the place. Ooh. Sounds like I need a haircut, don't I? Yeah, there's a bit glaring going on there. That's better. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to change the oil on this little beauty. I'm gonna just as well show you how basic it is really, and where it is and how clean it's underneath as well. So yeah, here we go, let's go into it. So go take that out, nice. We're going over it and just underneath over there. There is your filter. It's not very hard, it's quite easy to get to. Hopefully it's not too tight. I've already cracked this one out because sometimes they're just well hard to get out. So I'm just going to leave it here going for a minute, and then I'll show you how it's all going. There you go. Hopefully your phone stands up a little bit. There you go. Beauty. Yeah, like I said, hope everybody been alright. Yeah, it's been quite busy-ish in crystal clean, doing some bits and bobs. So look, the oil is I don't know actually, it looks a bit strange, a bit orangey, isn't it? Don't know whether it's good or some crap we had from before. I think what it is, the reason why it's got that colour is because he had some condensation from when we bought the engine. I think they pressure wash it, and some water got on the inlet manifold and something. No damage, just a little bit of condensation, a few drips of water there, and yeah, it's making it looking a little bit gooey. That's why I think it's that colour. Yeah, gonna let it drip for a bit. There's no metal. That's always a good sign. There's no metal here. If there is, it's normal. It's meant to do its job. But if there's no metal in here, it's absolutely fine. Also, let's remember that this engine is only 21,000 miles, so literally brand new. Well, brand new-ish. I mean, for the age of the car, it's just within 2009 with 21,000 miles. That's just, yeah, it's just literally breaking in. So yeah, it sounds really good. Still fairly clean underneath. Brand new rad. Got a little bit of problem there with the horn. I don't know why the horn is not working. The relay is clicking, but the horn is actually not. Yeah, took the horn out and put it on a drill battery, and it does work. So I don't really understand what is going on with that horn. I don't know. Yeah, something, it is clicking, but it's not making any sound. So if any of you guys know what is going on, leave me in the comments, and I'm happy to try, because at the moment I don't really understand, unless it's a broken wire from the relay to the actual horn. That's the only thing I can think of, but yeah, not 100% sure. I think it's that, but yeah. Right, I'm gonna let this strip down completely. I want to get as much as I can ready before taking the filter out and everything. So yeah, see you soon. Well, hey, welcome back guys. Right, so it's all pretty much all gone now. Just clean that a little bit. Because I don't want it to drop on my face. I don't want to drop it on my face while I'm taking the filter out. I just put this and then whoop. Oh, got no light. Working in the dark. Oh, there's too much oil there now. What's going on here? Ah, there you go. Second time lucky. Hey, second time lucky. Oh, let's have a look if I can put some lights in here, because that's too dark for you guys, isn't it? Yeah, there you go. That's better. A little bit anti-corrosion spray there. There's another guy right there. Oh, it's only had like 2 litres of oil in there. Not too bad, as long as it's not low. Right, let's see if I got any luck doing this. I got the camshaft right in the way though. It's interesting. Yes, it's coming, but the only problem is I'll be covered in oil in a minute. Let me get that in there. It's going to be a bit interesting, this. Oh, I don't want oil on my face. I want oil everywhere, really. Oh, there you go. Bang in there. That's brilliant. Yeah, it's coming up nicely, that. Yeah. Let it drip a little bit. Oh, look at that. Clean engine, eh? Clean engine, and it's just... Come on. Worst thing you want is oil everywhere. Bugger. Absolute bugger. Right, how am I going to get that without getting oil? Oh, sorry. Awesome, there you go. It's nearly all out. Whee! There you go, it's out. It's out, there you go. Whee! Ew. It looks like syrup. Syrup, I mean, it's a sweet engine. It's got syrup on it. Interesting. And I can't help myself. Can't really leave oil in there everywhere. I might give her an engine clean in a minute. It's just, yeah. I hate this. I hate mess. Ugh. Why everything has to be so messy? Right, let's have a look at this. Oh, it is actually right on for it. Nothing. Only hand tight. Does not go and crank and start that one. Yeah, oil filter, always hand tight. There's no point get that really cranked up, because I had it before on my bike. Someone changed the oil on my bike, and it was the next time I had to do the service. When I went to change it, it was so tight I had to get a screwdriver right through it, and I still couldn't get it off. and then I have to chisel right around the edges until eventually I got it off. What a nightmare, honestly. I'll show you guys how they're looking. There you go, nice and clean bolts and that there, look. See? Yeah, another good tip. Apply film oil by the rubber before tightening it. Yeah, and look at how clean all this is. Look, all the bolts there. Yeah. It's just, yeah. I mean, compared to the rest of the car, which is me. Yeah. It's just, but then, oh, it's just, yeah, I've done a good job there. No oil leaks, no nothing, so that's good. Right, let's put some oil in. That's what we're here for. Change. Right. Let's have a look here. Yeah, I do like to take this off because it makes it easier when you drain the oil. So what do you call it? The vacuum thing, it doesn't fight against it, so it makes it easier to go through. Don't need a flash now. Yeah, let's put some oil in, shall we? And a place that can Why is the phone being so annoying? Oh yeah, that's my little bite out here. Beauty. It's alright, I really want a Harley next, so that's what I want now. Yeah. Yeah, so this engine only takes 4 litres of oil. This is for a 1.2 Nissan Micra k12, and obviously we have put in 530 decent oil, castrol. This one actually is a synthetic. It works for gas oil. You've got petrol, so yeah, I'd rather put semi-synthetic, but this one actually is synthetic, so something to do with the minerals. Not 100% sure. I know for a fact semi-synthetic is better. Right, 4 litres of oil. Actually, instead of a funnel, I got something better. This little winny, which is quite handy. What is on it? This one doesn't fit. You bastard. Yeah, it doesn't fit. Right up. Funnel these then. Yeah, sorry. I mean, the funnel, it's not bad, but as you can see the camshaft there, it's just not great. It's like almost better to not using funnel at all, but it's just, I don't want a mess. That's the problem. I hate mess, as you guys know. Let me find something. Maybe a smaller funnel. Smaller funnel might have. actually, I'm going to do that. Like this. And he holds it in. Quite nicely, actually. Oil time. Let's get some juicy in. Without making a mess. That's the main thing for me. Not make a mess. I could put it straight in. But well, that's going to take a while, isn't it? I think, am I going to change my... Yeah, I think I'm going to change my tactic here. This is taking too long, so I'm going to have to bite the bullet. Stop being so dramatic. I mean, I've got my rag here. I just hate mess, and I don't really want to make a mess. Right, let's try this then. If it goes a bit messy, at least it goes on the cloth, not on the actual engine there. There you go. I think that looks amazing. Look at that. Now, let's get it in the hole. Oh fuck! I knew it was gonna make a mess. Not bad. I got the rag into 4 litres of oil. That's what I need. Ta-da-da. This is a 5 litre tub. Oh, it's a 4 litre tub. Okay. What? I can't believe it. Hang on a minute. I'm gonna have to put you guys on hold for a bit because I'm gonna double check this now. Make me think. Might not be the whole 4 litres of oil. Maybe 3. I'll have a look. 2 secs. Yeah, I knew it. Good job I checked, guys, because I knew it was something. He was a little bit less than the tub. So that's a 4 litre tub, and he's actually 3 litres. So yeah, hopefully most of you guys carry on watching the video and didn't go by thinking, oh, it's 4 litres, and oh, let's go crack on, fill it right up, because then someone will be in trouble. So yeah, I put 1 litre so far. No, 1.5 litres so far. So I've got 1.5 to go. Doo-doo-doo. Ooh, that was spot on, that. Spot on. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, I had to make a mess, innit? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it like that for a minute. It's just 1/2 litre short of the 3 litre. I'm going to leave it there for a minute. And I'm going to double check. Look at that, eh? Nice, clean and neat. That's beautiful. Yeah. That's nice, that. Yeah, I want to leave it 1/2 litre short because it's better to have less than more. So check these out. Probably don't have time to get down there yet, but look at how shiny this is. Look, it's oh. Yeah, wow. Just it's just about, you literally just made it, so I have to wait a bit. Yeah, it's just over the minimum, just about there. There. Sorry, my nails. You'll never see a mechanic with clean nails anyway. No, yeah, I'm not a mechanic, I'm a detailer, but yeah. Bit of everything, This is a bit loose. this a bit because a bit rattly, isn't it? A bit rattly. I don't know why it's just so rattly, really. It's a little bit silly. I've got new clips. New clips. Two clips. Have a look at that. Waiting on the oil to run down. We muck around with something else, wouldn't we? That's what we did. Yeah. Can't help myself. Got a fiddle or something. Mr. Fiddle. Yeah, some people call me Mr. Fiddle. I can't help myself. Yeah, right, so why on earth are you so flimsy? Oh, this has to be here. A little lip there. Yeah, so that's that. But literally, to be fair, I just don't like how he rattles. It just sounds a bit. It's got a hole here too. What's the point of that? Am I missing something here? I don't know if I'm missing something there, but I've never seen anything there, not even with the old engine, so it must be alright. Must be alright. I think this is too big. Yeah, it's huge. It's huge. Right, let's go for this one, shall we? Yeah, this is alright. Look at that. Bang. You're supposed to screw these, but this is plastic, so that'll work. Easy. Well, that's a bit more secure, isn't it? But still rattling a little bit. I mean, that's on the air going in, so it's better than what it was. That's for sure. Check. There's no licks down here. Looks alright here though. Yeah, looks alright down here. Just right now, just double checking how tight the drain plug is, and it should be alright. Right, let's have a look at it. Oop. Right, it's literally still just under there. So I might go on, it's just because it's just in the middle, just on the minimum, sorry. I'm going to put just want to bend this a bit out because it's right on the edge. Let's put a little bit more. Oh, let's hope I manage to get it in. Oh, that's nice. Like half a litre. There you go. Quite not even. Not even 200 now. Whee! Right, better stop there. Yeah, that should be about right. So, I mean, it's there. So I think that will do for now. I wanted to put it like that, put the oil sign on the bottom, but can't be that OCD car. Yeah, let's clean this out a little bit. I mean, it looks quite clean already. That's nice, that. Let's double check that. Yeah, that's about in the middle, I think. Ooh. Yeah, that's in the middle, right there. The engine, the oil haven't gone through the engine somehow, so anyway, jack it down, give it a little run, warm it up a little bit, check. Yeah, please don't hammer me about my lovely jack. I kinda, at the moment, can't afford to have anything better at the moment, so that's the best I have. And it's like they say, something's better than nothing.